Got a minute? Let's learn how to make this donut. Add the object you want to print. I'm going to use a torus and call it a donut. Add a cube and scale it up to enclose the donut. In the cube's visibility options, uncheck Show and Render and change the texture to Balance. Select the donut and add a Boolean modifier. In the modifier settings, change Object to Cube and the operation to Intersect. Now animate the cube by adding location keyframes. Now duplicate the donut. Duplicate the cube. Tab into Edit mode and scale the new cube on the Z-axis and move it up. Select the new donut and in the modifier settings, change the object to the new cube. This will create a small slice. Select the slice and add a particle system. Set lifetime to 1. Expand source and checkmark Use modifier stack. Add another cube. Tab into Edit mode. Bevel the edges. Add a wireframe modifier. Give it an emission shader. Go back into the particle settings and change Render As from Halo to Object. Then for the object, select the wireframed cube. Sweet, now you can make donuts. Or other stuff, but mainly donuts.